So hello and welcome to today's last day of the week, February 13. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Mm, And let's start. We have about 10 minutes to the market open. Let's follow the steps. And so we open the routine every single calendar. While this is completing, let's check the news. So the market was trading lower. What a picture here. Let me check this picture. Very large screens here. This is the Euronext exchange in Paris. So global shares slip ahead of US inflation. We know this. Yesterday was um, a sell-off in the market. US consumer prices rises less than expected. Let's go and check the markets. Sorry, yeah, equity indexes, index futures, screen. While this load, and we have Asia was not down. Nikkei was positive. Europe is mixed. Here, Spain is down, Sweden is down, but Switzerland and Greece is up. A little bit is flat, right? In the US is flat as well. So nothing from that part. We'll review the euro, bit and Bitcoin. Economic calendar Friday, CPI reports is already done. There is a push to the downside, still kind of right there, right? It is true we could continue down or up, and no one can know with certainty. We'll trade what we see. Japan is coming down a little bit, and these are indexes are flat a little bit. China down. The market. This is the consolidation I wrote yesterday, right? We tried once, twice, third time. Oh, these numbers don't look really good. Yeah? One, second, third, fourth time. Here we have the current candle. Year to date, we are fine, right? Let me print this. Take a picture. And send it to Discord. 4 tries. Multiple tries. Button. Right. Negative day to the downside here. Nothing extreme, but hey, this is not great. Yeah, this is a wake up call. I want to see how. I want to see how we trade today, how we open, because the streams, here's the first stream, then here's the second stream, because normally we have back to back or a big push to the upside. The negative weakness is present, but believe it or not, yesterday, woohoo, it had a positive day in New York Stock Exchange going up. This is a big surprise. What? For real? It was a positive day. Very strong. Mm, Positive day. Positive day. This is relevant. So what do we hear? Relevant. This is relevant. More highs. More highs than lows. In yes, yesterday. This is quite relevant. What a nice surprise. Volatility. You see, we mentioned down, negative, I mean positive. It's getting there, right? Now, financials. Look at the financials taking the lead to the downside. Financials leading to the downside year to date. Year to date. India, Argentina down. And this is, let's do market internals, right? Let's get that out of the way and get the job done with the SPX. Market internals are not negative. Let me take this picture here. And we say market internals at the open, waiting for bears waiting to find the real strength of the verse or the verse. This is not negative. Let me check one more data point here. Neutral, 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 open. Now posting this and copy this and I put it in Discord as well. So we have I say neutral because tech. We'll see. 2 minutes to the open. And let's focus on this. Silver up in the last 2 days. Google down heavily. Apple down heavy. Bitcoin down. Russell down. So what is up? FTSE's up. Pa, 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 pa. MSCI emerging. Interesting. MSCI emerging. So here, I guess I can remove this here. Good. I have two of these. Why do I have two of these? Data indicators. I guess I can remove this. No, I don't remove this. Remove this. No. Why I'm having two? So let me see if I can stop one. I stop this one. Okay, it went now. So this system, you see, took couple shorts yesterday. Historically, I guess it's this one. Made 50K with a 60% win-loss ratio, 7 trades in a row winning, 6 trades in a row losing. Analysis, if we go to half an hour, if we go to an hour, 11, why is not trading at 10? It should be trading at 10. Scheduling 10 to 1. So I guess I can do better than this. Open 9:45 to 2. Save and refresh. Hopefully this will refresh and I can show you something that I'm working on. Let me show you. It's here. This is the 50-minute candle. I have marked these zones. Yesterday went through this one and right at 10:45 broke here and it just flashed. It went through like butter and then consolidated here again. That was the point of control of yesterday, right? So far, the point of control, it's right here. You can see, yes, disregard these trades, right? Don't worry about it. And we are direction. Let me change this to input series. And so let me see if this opens now. Make it a little smaller. I think I have an entire year loading. That's why. Oops, entire year loading. This is why it's holding there. Let me check here. This is why it's good to have two trading platforms. And I go to the the yes is not holding the open in the first 15 minutes candle. Um, where do we have space to go? Maximize. So we have some space here, right? To this trend line. Now we could copy this. We have two different. Oops. Duplicate. We have two data points here that we can say, hey, we are forming a triangle, right? We are below 2025, and this is the ES. Let's go to the euro. I want to check what's going on here. It tried to push, it fell, it's coming down. Hmm. CL as well. Oh, it broke this trend line. Remember, we got the signal yesterday here. You remember, right? Let me change the AC. So we got the signal there yesterday for the short. That's good. Bitcoin. I want to check. Bitcoin is 3% up. Interesting. I could improve this trend line for sure. There. We could even make it tighter here, right? But no, let me get Bitcoin alerts above just about replace. Let's see if we get there. Silver. Oof. After a big push yesterday to the downside, it's 2% up now. Gold, 1% up. It really pushed yesterday down. Uh, we'll see how we end up. And let's see if the chart. What is NinjaTrader? NinjaTrader. Opening NinjaTrader. Yeah, this was unhandled and semi index was outside of the bounds of the ray. Okay. Let me change this to NQ. We get live data here. We get live data here. We get the power meters. And it's pressing to new lows. So let me get the strategy and say 9:45 to 2. And hopefully we have 2 minutes for this to go on. Hopefully it will do it. Oh no. Oh no. We're pressing to the low. So we rejected the new low. And let's see market internals. SPX. Open trade station. Yes. So both he rejected the ES and he rejected the NQ, but it went down a little lower. Let me check how this is. Over this. Yes. If I copy this and paste this, and I move this here. Not fun to recreate all of this, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Let's go here. Let's go there. And goes there. And he goes here. Here. Go here. and strategies. One strategy, indicators, so strategies, enable. Oh, I forgot to check how many. Yeah, this is a problem. Days, give me 20, 20 days. Very interesting. So it's pushing to this area here. So we're moving from here to here. The question is, if we get here, right, where do you think we are going to go? So the yes as well. It got to here. NQ Brock. Question is, give me the data. Let me show you the stats. Okay, this is better. I remove the days, right? So it's only taking 8 trades, but the percentage still a 62% win loss ratio, making 500, 700, um, averaging 2000. It's asymmetrical to, right, to ATR. And now if I go, I don't have the data so much now, but half an hour. So it should show at 11. We should be taking trades earlier than this. But maybe it's because I don't have so many trades at 11. Order settings, scheduling, 9:45 to 2. Okay, at least is the correct setting. It fell, it reversed, it tried to push, it reversed. So, big question here, where are we going to go? Let's see. So I could say here, preview long, preview short, right? Preview short, it will go. The stop loss will go. The stop loss will go here. The target will be there. Oh, here. Preview short there, right? Preview long there with two ATRs. Uh, order monitor, nothing, right? Then I have the dynamic planning here, plan long. This is the target to ATR, the stop loss here. I want to do that. Short, nothing. Track price, scale to fit. Risk to reward, nothing. That's only active when it's live. So let me explain here. What do we have? Let me explain here. With this chart, what we have. So the market will pinpoint between these two areas, right? These areas here are 25 points, right? And if we zoom in here, this is 50 point each line of this. Oops. Each of these lines are 50 points. And the zones are 25 points. So this is $1,000 for one contract. And here is $500, right? For one contract. The movement from here to here is $500, right? The movement from here to here, it's $1,000. Mm. We were pushing here, not quite, right? Not quite. The same thing here. I don't know why I don't have this one. The 24,900. Yes, 24,900. This is a 60-minute candles, but they don't look right because last minute data series chart type is is a line on close. That's a mother, right? Box candlestick key volume. So the larger the more volume, the largest, the thicker it is, right? That's good. Key volume. Still show a high and a low. Hollow candle. Kagi. When it's making new highs, it goes green. When it's making new lows, it goes red. Lion close mountain. Open high low close. Open and close. Point and figure. Zeros are down, X are up, right? And the value of it is oh wow, they're selling 1 second. So let me stop playing with this. NinjaTrader. If you want to download, I have the link. It gives me some benefit. Go ahead. There is the link in the description here. Let me see. I hope I'm sharing this. Check. Oh yeah. And let me put it to Equi volume. I like that. right? So almost reached this level yesterday, and it did not reach the level. Um, Now it's selling again. This is 50 minutes. And remember, the model, it is running in the 60 minutes here, right? So the trade that took yesterday was this short at 12, right? That it worked. And then this short at what time is it? Almost at the close. That did not work. 280 years. I don't know why I didn't take the 11 one. It says scheduling. It says 9:45. I need to check that one because oh yeah, yeah, it took it. It took it. It took it. It's fine. Yeah. It just took an hour to trade. Let me double check. Yeah. No. The other thing we can do is remove this. So let me show you. Historical 60% win loss ratio, 8 trades. If we change it to 30 minutes, right? Strategies, stop the strategy, allow data series, 20 days. Let's change it to 30 minutes and let's load data series 105 days, right? And now go to strategies and activate the strategy. Same strategy, just with 30 minutes candles and 105 days. So here is short. I have other systems running in trade station, short of NQ and short of ES. So we'll wait. We are waiting here. So what we need to see is, hey, if we go here, we should trade to here. If we go here, we can trade to here. And if we break to the downside, we should go here at least. Big push for Friday. Yeah? All the way from here to here. That could be it, but maybe here, maybe there. Not to make it too far away, right? This is. I don't need the volume here. Okay, maybe I do. Still working, still loading. Oh, did it load? Yes, he loaded. Okay. I don't need the volume here either. This I can make this much smaller. And this. Let me see what noise I have here. Yeah, the long in the euro is not looking great. Euro. So let me see the stats now. Okay, so it's the same. It's the same system, but with 30 minutes candles. Yesterday, it would have taken the exact same trades, right? That one and that one. And if we load historically, now we have a lot more days for sure. We go down to a 45% win loss ratio. That's not good, right? And this is not good either. You see the difference on running on 30 minutes versus 60 minutes. Let me run the 60 minutes again, right? With 105 days so you can see. So now we stop this, right? We go back to the 60 minutes and we still have 105 days. And now I go and why do I have it says I have two where where here indicators and strategies move. Okay, found some series plot. We're still ooh wait don't move 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 that one. Let me remove this, copy this, and move it here. We need to move it here. There. Okay, going back. Sorry for the distraction. I wish I could lock this, right? Properties locked. So I guess I could select all. Visible in NQ all charts. How to scale locked. That means it will move. Yuppie, much better. Um, Running the system. So strategies. It's 4 p.m. Enable. So same system, same entries, running on a 60 minutes versus 30 minutes. You saw the 30 minutes you gave 45% win loss ratio. That's not acceptable, right? Mm, let's see how long it takes to load. Boom, 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 boom. No new trades, no alerts, no new trades. Yeah. This is the alert. No new trades. Very mixed, the battle, right? Between bulls and bears. Very mixed. Oh, we finished. Let's see. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Strategy performance. So 56%, 25 trades. Not great. Summary analysis. Daily, half an hour. Still not taking all the trades. I know what the issues. Let me change the order setting and scheduling. It needs to start at 9. Let me change this to 8:55. 8:55. 55. 8. 8:55. And Fridays to 8:55. Save and save as. Let me change it to 8:55. Save. Save. And now I could run it because look, it didn't take this trade here. And because it starts at 11. So let me see here. Save. Remove. Now go back in. So hey, let's go. Yes. Yes going and the dollar getting weaker. New try. Yes going. So 6E. Oh yeah, the stats are there now. Let's check it out. And now it takes this straight short, you see. It take average stop. Oh no, it takes this trade long. Sorry, it takes this trade long. And then it takes the trade short here. Still 60 minutes performance strategy. 55, 53, 30 trades. It does not make money. It does not make money. You see how sensitive it is just to a change in time. So let's do ADR. Without filtering the times. And what can I say? Look, in the NQ, we have so many weeks here. This is 50 minutes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tries. Here on the yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tries. Man, if they don't do it, this is going to go down, right? It is going to go down if they don't do it. There's only two ways, up or down. What I'm waiting is, hey, go to this area. And then, so let me get the screen to. So, first, go here. Oh, let me do a nicer drawing. Square. Targets in white, right? Go here or go here. That's it. Move to one of the places. Once after that, we have only two outcomes, or to go there or to come here. Let me put the red, or to go here, we go there. Or in red, from there we go there, or from there we go there. And this could be white. I'm put it green. Green is this. From here we go. Oh no. Wait. From there we go green to that area, or we go green to that area. That's it. So there is no more options here. But we are stuck between these two areas, right? Let me make it. I would say here it's for the greens, and here is for the reds, right? Bull should have a strength here, and bear should have a strength here. Let's see the stats. I'm not going to to be able to predict it anyway. So um, Nasdaq. This is. Let me take the picture. This looks good. Let me take the picture of this. So take the picture of the whole thing. Take the picture. There is only always two outcomes. So let me say, make it simpler. There there are only two outcomes. Up or down within a given time. Make trading simpler. MTRS. Uh, let's post and copy this. Discord. Trades. So stuck in the same place, right? I could remove this screen now. Where are the little drawings? I can close this. And let's check the data now, right? Now it's going to trade 24 hours. Historical. Look at this, 39 trades, 66%. 66%. This is much better. The only difference is I removed the time filters. So I have the time filters for this reason. You see how, okay, I mean, this is something also not great, right? It starts, okay, November goes up, it reached this high on the end of November. Then it goes flat for a month, right? And then peaks up here, goes up, and then it's all-time highs. But what I say is, if I go half an hour of the day, see, still trades at 1, at 11, sorry, see? The best time to trade is at 12. 11 and 2. It should be trading unless I have a filter here. Oh, I do have a filter. Restrict entry times. There. $13. Now it's going to trade 24 hours. Remove it and put it on. Now it's loading. You see, calculating. Let's see what the NQ wants to do. Look at this. What a nightmare. If I was freaking trading up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. What a freaking nightmare. And the euro, how much is the euro? Tiki 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 tiki. I don't want to change this, but I'll change. Here it's faster. Euro, he gave up. He gave this up. Mm. So look at this. We're inside of these zones. Everyone is waiting. I mean, not everyone. There are people trading, but I am waiting. Okay, he's ready. Let's go check it out. Large screens, large issues. So now it's 24 hours, right? A lot more trades. Uh, Performance, historical. We make a lot. I make a lot less money, right? We trade a lot more. Profit factor still fine. Percent win loss ratio. It's okay. But now when I go to stats analysis, cumulative, I'm sorry, daily, no, half an hour. See, I lose money here, and I lose money here. It is true I don't capture these 4 to 4:30, and I stop at 2. So now let's restrict those times because this is an hour day. So you see, until 11, I lose money. But when I do this, then scheduling, restrict 10 to 1, right? And this is save us 10, 10 to 1. Save, save. It's the same strategy, just 10 to 1, okay? And I go. Enable. I know. Enable. So now it's running. And there is another try here. Now they are going to try again. Did anything change? So yeah, the bears are getting fatigued, most probably, right? I need to go. In 10, 15 minutes. There are so many weeks to the upside here on the ES and NQ. Let me see. YM Brock, YM tasting, Russell at the high of the day. Now ES. It's going to try again. Oh, it's finally doing it, right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts, and then it goes. Mm, How much room is here? Is 30 points. 30 points to this area here. 25. Why I mark this area? I mean, it was there all the time. ENQ, maximize is this area here. Is this congestion area 25? So I could show you here in the ES and go on NQ. 25 is this area here. Great. Now I finish it. So now we can check the stats. Uh, and it goes back to 66% win loss ratio. And who doesn't like this? Of course. Now let's change the, the let's change the 13 direction delta. Let's change that for the final 60 directions. Save. Remove. And put it back. It should be calculating now. Oh, I didn't wait. I didn't wait. I removed it and then clicked on it. So I'm not sure if it's going to crash. But anyway, the NQ is going. How far is it going to go? It's going to go here. Actually, it's there already. This is locked now, so I cannot move it. You see, it's locked. So this was 23. It did it so fast. 30 points. Big question here is 70, 70, 90, 90. Mm. Big question is it going to work or not? I froze. I hate it. I just hate it. Whole ninja collapsed. Oh no, it didn't. It's back to life. So now I enable it. Strategies. Enable it. Disable. What? Is disabled? Don't tell me it's enable. Strategies. Enable. See, that's why it doesn't work. Okay, now it's disabled. Truly disabled. Strategies. Enable. To ATRs. Symmetrical. Check. Big question. Now that we are in this area where yesterday we had the value, the POC, right? Here, screen. Here we have two ways. We said here it was the this is not the way. We said in green here it was for the bulls, right? And here it was for the bears. Now that we are inside of the bulls, what we want to see is from this area to here. But how do we not know, or how do we know that it's not going to do this? Because remember, there. Let me move this. How? Let me do this. That from that box. How do we know that it's not going to go like this? So it was 16,000. Now I'm 10,000. Mm. How do we know? No one knows. No one really knows. I mean, someone knows, but they cannot predict with accuracy, right? So let me go and remove this from here. Now I have here 60 minutes trading. Let's see the strategy. How is it doing? Strategies, performance, historical. Ooh, look at this. 66, 39 trades, $35,000. And if we go to see the time, it takes the time when it take these trades. It's from 11 to 12 and from 2 forward. See, we removed the downside. Oh, so we just wait. We just wait here to get a signal. See how it signals back to back? Bull, 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 bear, bear, right? So here there is two trades. The filter removed that one. So now we have a big candle here. That is right here in this zone. And with market internals being how they are, improving, improving, improving. You tell me which direction you want to go. Everything is positive so far. Look, I got an email. I do need to go in 5 minutes. I need to go. So let me stop this. Close this. Producer. Bye, guys. Could do this chatting. I really hope this was productive. Now it's retracing from that area. I see. It's retracing from this area. It's never easy. At least we waited, and we wait more. You can see, look, let me show you. It went here, 29. Now it's trading 100 points lower. 100 points. Why is this again like this? I don't like this. This needs to be fixed to 50 points, because 50 points is $1,000, right? So you can see it's at 28 and it came from 28. So this is $1,000. $1,000 move. With this, I close the stream. Let me close NinjaTrader. No signals today. And the stream here, and ending in YouTube as well. And I'll see you